Let's go step by step to create a wiggle text animation in After Effects. This effect adds movement and character to your text, making it more engaging and dynamic. Here's how to do it. Start by creating your text layer. Go to the toolbar and select the Text tool. Click anywhere on the composition and type your text. You can adjust the size, color, and font from the character panel to fit the style you're aiming for. If you want your text to stand out, try using a bold font and a bright color. Now let's set up the animation. First, create a solid layer. Go to Layer, choose New, and then Solid and click OK. With the solid layer selected, go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Fractal Noise. Drag it onto the solid layer. In the Effect Controls panel, expand the evolution options. Here, hold Alt, or Option on Mac, and click the stopwatch icon next to Random Seed. This will allow you to add an expression. In the expression box, type time, then star, and then 10. This will create a continuous random animation for the fractal noise. You can adjust the multiplier to control the speed of the effect. Once you've done this, pre-compose the solid layer. Right-click it, choose Pre-compose, select Move All Attributes, and click OK. Back in the main composition, turn off the visibility of the solid layer by clicking the eye icon next to it in the timeline. Now, select your text layer and go back to the Effects and Presets panel. Search for Displacement Map and drag it onto your text. In the Effect Controls panel for Displacement Map, set the Displacement Map layer to your pre-composed solid layer. For the horizontal displacement and vertical displacement, you can experiment with different values to see what works best. Lower values create subtle movement, while higher values make the text wiggle more dramatically. Play your composition to preview the wiggle effect. You can tweak the settings in the displacement map or fractal noise to customize the movement. That's it. You now have a playful, wiggling text animation. Thanks for watching.